So let us start with the first exercise. Okay, the first exercise. So the first exercise is called one button games. One button game. So if you have studied in game design, or if you have joined some game design course, etc., etc., so they want to unlock your creativity. So they always give you something strange, something yeah, really special. So somehow throughout these special games, you can unlock or think out of the box, thinking something that is not related to your daily life or daily practice, especially those games you can find on your smartphone, or especially those games you can find on your PS5, console Switch, etc. We don't want this kind of setting, so we always give you some special theme. One button game will be one of the special theme, and is a common practice for game design project. So what is one button game? So one button games means that you can play on multiple platforms. You can play on multiple you can play on multiple players. Okay, so it allows multiple player. Most likely is one versus one, player versus player games. So for the whole control, you can use is only one button. Okay, so it can be left, it can be right, or it can be W, or it can be L, or left shift or right shift, etc. So you choose one button from the keyboard, or one button on the game pad, or etc. Okay, it can be a mouse. Okay, so after you have choose the game, so you have these status for your one button: fast, hold, and release. Okay. So you need to design the corresponding actions for these three status. Okay. So there are wording is hard to understand. So let us have a look with different example about the one button games. So here is one of the games. So they try to simulate using W and up. Okay, to simulate the physical actions of your leg. Can you see that? So whether you press, you hold, and release, they present three different mechanisms. IK, the model for the IKs of your leg. Okay, so they pick up one interesting physical activity and then try to simplify your game, simplify your interaction into one button. Okay, so what you are going to do in this one button game? So first you need to search from Google, or you need to search from YouTube. Okay, about one button game. Select three different ideas from Google or from YouTube. Okay, for example, you can also search WarioWare. So somehow there are lots of mini games that is related to one button. Okay, of course some of them they are not related to one button, but yeah, most likely most of the game is only using one button or one simple action, and then you can present this kind of thing. After you have searched for this kind of information, come back to the podium and join the discussion. So the discussion will be the first will be about 30 minutes. So first 10 minutes is related to your idea, your background study. You present your findings, and then present the core idea and also the game physics. Okay, it's about the IK, or it is about a physical activity in your daily life. Okay, try to simplify your game into a daily life. Okay, physical activity. So it's easier. Okay, it's easier for the audience to understand your gameplay and then manipulate your one game button. Okay, so after you present your idea, design a physical situation of your one button game, and then present the P status, fast, hold, and release of your one button game. Okay. Finally, after the discussion, maybe you only use 10 minutes, conclude your game. I would say that conclude your game idea into a game proposal within 100 words. Okay. To discuss about your game title, game theme, what is your physical activity, and the most important thing is your representation of your fast, hold, and release. Okay,